Hey everybody, Don here again. I'm with a couple of new friends that I met on YouTube, which is really cool. I've got Kenny and his boy Chris from My Old Lady's Cooking Channel. Not My Old Lady's Cooking Channel, his Old Lady's Cooking Channel, but it's called My Old Lady's Cooking Channel. Or I'm sorry, Cooking Show, right?
That's it.
Cooking Show. And we met, I think, on a live feed. We were trying to figure out where we met, but I think it was on a live feed, and we started commenting back and forth. Come to find out, he summers 20 minutes from where I live. So we thought, what the heck, let's get together, go fishing. And here we are. We're trying a new body of water for me, a place he's fished for years since he's spent his summers up here since he was a kid. So we're gonna try to catch some bass. Let's see what happens. All right, hang out.
I'm a worm man. I like rubber worms.
I got one rigged up wacky style, probably.
Rubber worm with no sinker or nothing. Just
Yeah, I don't put any weight on mine either. This is the kind of day I like. Overcast.
get a little rain though.
Was it?
Looking like we might get a little rain though.
Okay. What's your favorite color on a worm?
I like the power bait worms.
Oh yeah.
The round ones.
Yeah.
I always used to do good with them.
I used to love the man's jelly worm, which was a kind of an odd looking purple, looked kind of like grape jelly. But it had an orange spade tail, not the curly tail. They don't make it anymore. Now they make the purple with the orange, or it's a kind of a pinkish colored curly tail, which is fine, but I just, for some reason, that orange spade tail just worked for me. Nice bass on the worm. Excellent. Yeah, nice one. Couple pounds. Easy. Hello.
My first bass in a long time.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Welcome back to New Hampshire. On a rubber worm.
Broke the ice.
Broke the ice. Way to go. All right.
Whoop. Just had a hit. Came up and popped it right at the top too.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, rain, stop.
Yeah, we don't need this.
Why is it just making a way?
You don't care. That's what I like to hear. Well, you're the one I was worried about, Chris. How do I get snagged with a rubber worm?
Another rig gone.
Yeah. Luckily, it was just a worm, and although it was a wacky hook.
Never rigged that way.
You know, I never did. Last year was the first year I ever tried it. I've always just gone kind of, you know, Texas style through the nose and out the back. I'll probably do that on the next one because I got a lot of those hooks. But down in Connecticut, my buddy was rigging wacky style, and I decided to give it a try. And I caught like 3 bass, you know, and I was like, wow.
New way now.
Well, I got to try it, you know.
Yep.
But yeah, like I usually rig up the way Chris is rigged up. Just Texas style. All right.
There you go, little bass.
Nice job, Chris.
Broke the ice.
Broke the ice. Now Big D's the only one without a fish. Awesome.
It's a little smallmouth. Very good.
Nice job, man.
Oh, he's a good size.
Nice small largemouth though. Hey. On that light tackle.
Fun.
Awesome. Excellent. I don't care how big or small they are, man. They're all fun.
Right?
That's it. That's it.
That's 2. Come on, Don, you're next.
I know. I like to take people out and let them catch fish. Makes,
New York boys fish you up.
yeah. I'm gonna come here in my kayak. This is a really nice piece of water.
Only part of it.
Yeah, it looks like a good one. You in that thick stuff?
Broke your back again.
It's like a big fish. Oh, it's a pickerel. Oh. Bring him back here and we'll net him. Oh, that is a good pickerel, man.
Toothy critter.
Yeah, and you didn't lose your worm. That's good.
Elbowed me in the head.
Don't, yeah.
Put your hand down here and that.
No, and I don't have my
I got it.
my grippers. There you go. You got him. Sweet. That's a nice one. Look at that. Just got him right in the side of the mouth too. Turn him sideways just a little bit. Slimy suckers. Awesome. That's cool. That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Shoot. See you later. Boom.
Thanks for that.
And Kenny hooks a big one.
Maybe it'll,
Oh, that's a nice fish.
maybe it'll force off the rod.
We'll net that one, I think. Oh, that's a nice bass.
Nice fight on this rod.
Oh,
Nice fish.
I wish I had my scale.
Oh my
What
God.
kind of fish?
That's a 3-pound plus fish, maybe. Oh, every bit.
Whoa.
Nice fish,
Huge
Kenny.
success.
Feels good.
That's pretty close to a 3-pounder. Give me 5.
Easily. Easily.
Easily. Hold that bad boy up. Let me see that sucker.
Gotta hit the button, buddy.
I know. I took a couple of photos.
Nice.
That's beauty. Let's whoa. Let's see if I can get a video of that. You're all good.
Sit.
That's what I'm trying to do.
All right.
It looks like it's gonna bite.
There you go.
Oh, ultralight.
Boom! High five. All right. As usual, I take them out and they all catch fish. And
They're here.
I don't.
Two. That's great. Second bass.
Oh, mine's a pickerel.
You got pickerel?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Ah, not what I wanted.
Wow, that's big though.
Took my worm.
He threw it off.
Slime pickle.
He threw it off into the water.
Oh, no, into the boat.
All right, we shouldn't get skunked anyway.
Yeah, thanks. Ah, you're all right, man.
Hey,
But you're right.
it pulled on the end of your line. That's good.
No skunk.
Small little thing, but still, it's better.
Hey, it's a fish, right? That's what I...
It's got gills and
Some-
fins.
Something on the end of my line.
Oh, you got one coming up, Don.
Yep, big one.
Coming right across.
Yeah.
The log.
Yeah, I see it.
It's coming.
When the trolling motor loses progress. Well, that's been pretty fun. Been,
I enjoyed it, Don. I really did.
yeah, I'm glad. We got out. We went out fishing with my new friends. As always, they caught the fish. I just drove the boat. Actually, I caught one pickerel. New body of water. I'm gonna be on this body of water again, especially in the kayak. So let's motor back over to the ramp and close her out there.